Today we're testing Utensil Crocks, which might sound a bit silly unless you've ever been stuck with a terrible one that constantly falls over, or it doesn't really hold more than 1 or 2 pairs of tongs. So today, Adam's gonna show us all of our options.
A lot of people keep these next to their stovetops at home. I do too. Half the time I pull out one utensil, 3 others tumble out with it. I just mutter something uncivilized, jam it back in, and move on with what I'm cooking. I've never thought to ask whether another utensil crock might solve the problem.
Well, there's a lot here to choose from.
There definitely are. We have 9 of them, in fact. The prices that we paid ranged from $14 to $50. The materials were ceramic, plastic, metal, or bamboo. You can see some of them were round, like the ones in front of you. 2 of them were oval. And there were even some that had special features. Why don't you give that one a little spin?
Oh, that's kind of fun.
Lazy Susan action on that one. This one is expendable.
That seems useful.
And also it has slots to keep knives in it. And some of them have dividers. Some of them are fixed, some of them you can move so you can organize your tools differently. You may be wondering what this array of utensils before you is, Julia. Testers tried to fit all 20 of those. They're some of our favorite utensils into each crock. Ideally, they would have been able to fit all 20 tools in. Some of them did. Usually about 17 would fit in. In terms of the shape, testers were not crazy about the oval ones because the ends are tapered. That meant that the bulkier tools or the ones with little hooks at the end had to go in the center only, not the ends. Round ones were a lot more successful. In terms of size, bigger is better. You want to fit in as many tools, so at least a 6-inch diameter. And in terms of height, they ranged from 5¼ inches to 9½ inches. They liked something in the middle, about 6½ inches, because it was tall enough to keep the tools upright and organized, but not so tall that you would lose your little pastry brush down there.
Yeah, that's a short guy. That would never fit in my crock at home.
You mentioned crocks falling over, so testers checked out the stability of each one by loading and unloading one side only. And most of them passed the test just fine, except for our old friend, the Lazy Susan. Little wobbly there.
Oh yeah, well you can see it has these feet on the bottom, and so that would make it unsteady.
Exactly. So let's talk about those dividers I mentioned. In an oval crock like this, not that helpful. They just took up space we would rather have filled with utensils rather than these things. And also, again, it made it hard to fit bulkier tools in the tapered ends.
Makes sense.
In the round ones, maybe that white one in front of you, a lot more helpful because you could organize tools by category and it kept them upright.
Interesting. So you'd keep metal tools or whisks on one side, wooden spoons on the other.
If you're more organized than I am, yes, you would.
Well, and it's removable, so you can clean it.
Exactly, you can move it around. Speaking of cleaning, good point. These usually live like next to a stovetop. They're gonna get splattered. Most of them were easy enough to clean up except for 2. The expandable one was hard to get inside the area where it expands, and the perforated one, super hard to clean this.
That makes sense.
So the winner is right in front of you, Julia. That is the $34 Circulon ceramic tool crock. It's the tool crock of my dreams. It held all 20 of our utensils. It's got a removable insert. It's very good looking. It's actually available in different colors.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I'm gonna get one of those.
Which color?
Oh, cerulean.
So there you have it. If you're in the market for a new utensil crock like Adam, check out the Circulon ceramic tool crock for about $34. Thanks for watching America's Test Kitchen. What'd you think?
Well, leave a comment and let us know which recipes you're excited to make, or you can just say hello.
You can find links to today's recipes and reviews in the video description.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
See you later.
I'll see you later.